Coinbase could potentially make you a millionaire, and I will explain why in this video. Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Gray, to the B, to the T, to the C, to the moon, and welcome back to the channel. All right, so this is a quick crypto update as always, and I want to talk about Coinbase and Base, the blockchain. All right, for those of you guys who don't know what's going on, basically Coinbase, the cryptocurrency exchange, one of the earliest, an American cryptocurrency exchange, which is also trading on the stock market in the US as Coin, as their ticker symbol. They just announced a launch of their own blockchain. This is a layer 2 solution, just like Arbitrum, but it is built on top of Optimism. All right, what does this mean? It means that Coinbase is launching their own network, just like Binance has BNB. The Coinbase has now launched a beta version of this, a testnet. They have a testnet that's live, you can interact with it, but they also launched a mainnet, but unofficially. It's only available for developers to build and experiment. This is big news. What does this mean? It means that Coinbase will now be able to conduct in transaction or facilitate transaction on their own blockchain, and it will be able to transact in coins like USDC or USDT, and it would be going with the Base network. The blockchain that they're trying to build is called Base, and they announced already that they will be able to we will be able to transact in USDC at almost zero gas fees. Why don't everybody just use Ethereum? Is because Ethereum is expensive. For you to send $1 worth of Ethereum or any token on the Ethereum blockchain, right now it would cost you about $7 as transaction fees to send, which is ridiculous. So many layer 2 solutions have been created simply to solve that problem. There are different kind of blockchains. There's Tron, TRC20. That's why whenever we're sending a transaction on USDT, we do use TRC20 network or Arbitrum or Polygon network, is basically because of the gas fees on Ethereum being extremely high. Now, there are already other chains. Why is the Coinbase one more important, and why it's going to be a big deal, and where is the opportunity? One, Binance BNB chain has done quite well, and the coin BNB, by the way, it went from less than $1, it went all the way to $600. Right now it's worth $240 today, and I bought my first BNB at $3, right? And why? It's because I found out about it early and I invested. I could see the potential. BNB has done incredible things, but it still hasn't been able to maximize and grow as much as it would, simply because it's coming from Binance, and a lot of governments, especially America, does not like Binance. You know, they've been trying to attack it recently. They don't like the founder because it's Chinese technically and things like that. So Coinbase is a company that is already established in the US. It's listed in the stock market, and it has all the checks and balances that a traditional company should have, which means it will be able to attract a lot of traditional investors to start using their own blockchain to conduct payments. It could potentially become a standard for blockchain-based payments, especially if you're dealing with the US, because it's gonna get regulated as hell. People have arguments about this, whether it's a good thing or it's a bad thing. I don't really want to make that argument. I don't care. I'm just trying to make money. I'm an investor and a trader. So the opportunity here is that you want to get involved in this chain so early. Right now, the coin is not even released. They don't have their own token just yet, but it will come out. And when it comes out, when a token is launched, it's being distributed through an investment or through airdrops. So let's start with airdrops first. If you want to do airdrops, how are you going to go about it? You need to start interacting with a chain right now. How can you do that? There's a way to bridge an unofficial way of bridging your Ethereum tokens onto Base chain. This cannot be reversed at the moment. There is no way of bridging out of Base, because this is an official way of doing it. It's meant for developers, and a lot of people are launching their own shit coins on it, and it's been working so far. It just means that if you bridge though, your money is going to be stuck on Base. For those of you who are in my alpha group, we already did this last week. I shared a couple of tokens that I was buying. Even though a lot of the coins that are being launched are kind of scams or rug pulls right now, the most important thing is for you to just interact with the chain. Bridge, make some moves, bridge and just try to swap some tokens on the dexes on there, just so that your wallet has a registered activity on the chain. Because when an airdrop comes in, it always favors people who were so early. All right, and if you see good projects launching on that, you have to be investing. So for those of you who are in the alpha group, we did that earlier this week. I shared a written guide of how I'm going about this, and also the coins that I've been buying. And this week, I think this weekend, we have a session also for those of you guys who are not in Base just yet. You have to join the alpha group session on Base, where we're going to be helping people who have not made any move. This is literally like getting into BNB before it even launched, or getting into Ethereum before it launched. If you want to make money in the bull market, you have to be early on a lot of things, and this is one of those things that you can take advantage of and say, hey, this coin, it could be worth $200 one day per coin, and you'll be like, I bought this coin when it was only like 20 cents or something. All right, so that will make a lot of millionaires. I believe that Coinbase, as large as it is, when it launched, it already have millions of customers, and with zero fees on USDC, we could see USDC pumping up even more than USDT when it comes to daily volume. And also we can now see a coin coming out of Coinbase doing incredibly well. So do not miss out on this opportunity. Do something out there, do some research. There's a lot of written material by Coinbase officially. For those of you who are in the alpha group, I dropped a lot of links and a breakdown, and I recorded a video on how to bridge, showing you how to bridge. If you're not in the alpha group, link is in the description. Be part of that community if you want to be successful for the next bull run. And another important thing, WSOT, before I leave, World Series of Trading is now live. It's going on. This is $8 million at the table to be won. Watches, fast cars, Lamborghinis, and Richard Milles have been given out. This is an event that happens every year. It's a trading competition by Bybit, and you can either be participate as a trader, or you can just join a team. You need to join a squad, or you can also just copy trade the squad leaders that are doing well. So I've registered there as a leader, and if you want to be under my squad, either through corporate trading or just joining the squad to be part of it, you can join in. I'll put the link in the description. And for those of you guys who want to learn trading, from the 1st of September, for 4 weeks, I will be conducting a trading bootcamp to turn people who are struggling to trade or have never traded before into pro traders. 1 month worth of training with me. The crypto trading bootcamp. It's limited edition. It starts next month, 1st of September, so you have time to prepare. No excuses, but it's limited. So there's a link in the description below for you to go and sign up and be part of it immediately. Like I said, it's limited spaces, so you have to make sure that you have registered right now before the registration is closed. Crypto Trading Bootcamp, you will learn how to trade. You're going to be trading with the pros. Myself and other trading pros from Crypto University will be walking through everything with you guys. 4 weeks of working together to make sure that you guys don't stay the same anymore. You become a profitable trader. You don't lose money anymore in crypto. You start making money from it instead. All right? Be blessed and stay awesome, guys. Base to the moon. And if there are any other topics you want me to cover in a crypto update, link in the description below. Peace.